This is going to be a big video. We've got Alfa Romeo 4C. It's having a colour change with Topaz colour change PPF. It's going to be quite a wacky colour. It might even be pink like that Mini in the foreground, but you're going to have to watch the video to find out exactly what colour we're going to change this Alfa Romeo 4C. Bit of an Italian theme today. We've got Lamborghini Revuelto, you all know about those, but this one is finished in Verde Citria, citrus green, and it looks immense. We're just fully PPF'd this car. Another car we're just PPF'd, very different, Ferrari 365 BBI. Classic car, fully bespoke PPF. And then this, I have to mention this is Lancia Delta Integrale. It's here having our level 4 detail. Come take a closer look. So level 4 detail is a 4-stage detail which will make this car, which is over 30 years old, look fresh. And talking about fresh, we've got someone hiding in here. This currently is named Tiny T. This is a teaser of a new product of ours. This is an air freshener which will make your car smell Topaz fresh. So current name is Tiny T, but if you do have a better suggestion, let us know down in the comments. And if we pick your suggestion, of course, we'll send you many of these to say thank you. This is Tiny T at the moment, so take a look at the topazshop.com soon to get your Tiny T to proudly put in your car and make it smell great. Before I show you the colour change, some really nice things I have to show you first. First of all, Lotus Emea getting full PPF. The new Bentley Flying Spur, but this is what you all want to see, the legendary Ferrari F40. I've been at Topaz 8 years now, so not a lot surprises me anymore, but I was surprised when I looked inside this car because there's no seats. Why are there no seats? We are PPFing everything, every single piece of carbon fibre, including the carbon fibre underneath where the seats normally are, we're PPFing. So this car is the definition of fully protected. Of course, at the moment, we're also doing windscreen PPF. This car's very original. If you take a look at the reflections, you can still see the carbon weave through the paint. Now it's going to be preserved with that originality forever.
To understand the Alfa Romeo 4C, first we must take a little bit of a history lesson. Alfa's heritage stretches all the way back to the early 20th century, with likes of the 6C and the 8C, which on the road and track were elegant, fast and victorious. The name 6C stands for 6 cilindri and 8C 8 cilindri, 6 cylinders and 8 cylinders respectively, which was a mark of prestige in its day to have such a large engine. Fast forward to 2007, and Alfa revived that tradition with the 8C Competizione, a car we are very familiar with at Topaz. You guessed it, 8C 8 cilindri. It was a 4.7 litre naturally aspirated V8 engine. Only 1,000 cars were built, and it reminded the world that Alfa Romeo could still make something truly exotic. However, with the 8C being both quite expensive and limited production, Alfa wanted to bring that magic to more people. Enter the 4C. First shown in 2011, its name meant quattro cilindri, 4 cylinders, this time a 1.75 litre turbo engine, mid-mounted for the perfect balance. What made the 4C so special was its engineering. A carbon fibre monocoque weighing just 65 kilograms gave it the feel of a supercar for a fraction of the price. With 240 horsepower pushing under a ton, it was blisteringly quick, 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, and the car was famously raw. No power steering, no frills, just a pure connection to the road. Alfa Romeo has an amazing back catalogue of icons, all of which are beautifully styled, most particularly the 33 Stradale, from which the 4C takes heavy inspiration, and there's no doubt that the 4C was designed to bring that same spirit into the 21st century. However, we are now bringing this car well and truly into 2025 with our colour change, taking it from a tidy but perhaps now boring black to a vibrant electric blue.
And here we have it. I hope you'll agree that it was worth the wait. We no longer have the black, not so interesting Alfa Romeo 4C. It has been transformed to this lovely, deep, vibrant blue. The reflections are crisp, the colour is great, and it's not just a colour change. We've protected this car too. This is paint protection film. It is thicker than a vinyl, it's impact resistant, it's self-healing. So this car looks great now, and it's going to stay looking great. Hopefully you enjoy this transformation. As we speak, another car has just rolled into the workshop for the next transformation with Topaz Colour Change PPF. So you're going to have to hang on to find out what that car is. But for now, enjoy the Alfa Romeo 4C transformed here at Topaz with our Colour Change PPF.